It rained, man. Radisson. It rained on our parade. We were supposed to look at the tree and then they fucking turned it off. And I'm like, what the fuck? Yeah, guys, so it's raining and, you know, I have my pet dog here and, no, I'm just kidding. This is my cousin, Alison. What's up, Alison? Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Yo, what the fuck was that?
Stop.
Yeah, so we're here. It's raining like hell. And it's December. I don't get it. So Alison just got up with a salad for some reason.
Really? That's how you start.
Yo, I look like a. Oh my god, I look like.
It seems like the rain starting to
Stop.
slow down.
Yes. No.
Wonderful.
Fucking
My
rain.
nose is itchy now.
Mine too, yo. I look like Rudolph. Where's Santa at? So you could take me. Look at this. They call this art.
What
The hell is this? We're almost to the car. I forgot where I put it. Oh, right there. Finally going home.